1 Extra.
Myself, Yizzy. Sounds of the verse. Hang tight, Spyro. BBC Radio 1 Extra. Lewisham in the building. Stand up, SC4. Let's go. Ciao. Some in a chat online, no talker. I ain't no hero like Peter Parker. Man, I straight slap man out of his Parker. Like skin, but man can turn darker. Then wear a snitch, man, I like talker. Thinks that you're fast, so best for run faster. Try F with a movement, F with one of my brothers, and I advise that you run to the Gaza. Yo, I don't wanna hear no chat about bro. Man, I'm not family, man, I'm not show. This ain't a game like tic-tac-toe. So best mind with the same pawn tracks. Boss them get a man bitch pawn roll. Lord knows I don't wanna step back pawn roll. But say something about man, is any one of my brothers you're gonna make a man step on. Born and raised in the mean streets of the south side. I told a real story in a tale, it's about time. Most of them are are about crime, but I never wanted that life to be. Man, I had aspirations of going on dangerous. That's sold out tours in different various nations. Of oldest to recognize a talent that's blatant. When I flip middle fingers for anybody hating this. Young but looking at grind through the window. Check aim, check the next lyric I spray. Cause I'm gonna make you more scared than the brother stood by the window. Now than the one who shot JFK. So if you think if I send it for this crocodile, you better Marilyn Monroe your boat downstream today. I come to step back and be peak today. And bury anybody 6 feet deep today. You tried sending for 7 days, but your better days ain't half of my better days. I'm Banksy Van Gogh. Coming with graffiti lyrics, you know I paint pictures with the words I spray. So told Leonardo not to try Wado. Come on bars, I'm a heavy like cargo. I know getting caught with his pants down like Jay. So the brothers don't come on, that's rotted. Man, a man's back, they ain't ready. When I bust stroke like Ed and Eddie. Could you get left with more than a plaster jamming in your face, rude boy, you ain't Neddy. I'll get dark on a Wesley stance up in a fist fight with 2 black brothers at midnight. Everybody left when I started to spit right. Bonfire upon them like a lit night. You must have thought that man I step up on a rampins. I don't really care if you're white or black, I'll still slap you blue like Wayne in the Cramptons. Never check, say this is real life. For brothers and brothers that get slapped in. Never clock that thing, finish all I'm acting. And everybody wanna chat on the mic and hype. Till it's your brothers get slapped in, what? Heard the brothers talking, I'm dabbing, I'm like, what? Till I run up on him and got him, he's like, stop, said, keep trying to chat that ish, I'll sing back for man up on a whip and man, I won't stop. He was like, please, I was like, what? You stepped in a Lewisham city of God. Things I do grime, you can move funky, and I won't draw up my fist and fix your face or I'll fix it for you. I'm gonna build it with the hammer when I walk you. So butter your whining with a corkscrew. Your man, them ain't gonna fight, but they ought to. Hide and seek whenever a man I walk you. You ain't gonna stand with a bunch of guys instead of run with the dicks tightly squeezed in between their vibes and say lies how I never really caught you. Cause you know it's a Lewisham ting. When I touch my Lewisham ting. If a man's talking Southeast London and he says grime, it's a Lewisham ting. What about not Lewisham ting? Hold up, bun that Lewisham ting. Cause I got brothers all over the map, but when our rep ends, it's a Lewisham ting. Yizzy, Lewisham in the building.
Sounds of the verse.